Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. If this video is useful to you, like, share and subscribe. This is the Java series part 34. In the last session we have discussed about what is inheritance and what is single inheritance type. Okay, inheritance is the mechanism in which the child class inherits all the properties and behaviors from the parent class. Okay, so child class is the new class. Parent class is the existing class. Okay, so new class inherits all the properties and behaviors from the existing one. This type of mechanism is called what? The inheritance. What is single inheritance? It contains a single child class and single parent class. Child class inherits all the properties and behaviors from the parent class. Okay, now we will discuss about the multi-level inheritance. Okay, here this is the example diagram for the multi-level inheritance. In this diagram we have three classes. Class A is the last child class. Okay, so this class inherits the properties and behaviors from class B. And this class B is the child class for class A. So this child class inherits all the properties and behaviors from the class A. So class A contains the properties and behaviors from B as well as A. Got it? So this type of structure is called the multi-level inheritance. Now let's see this example. Here I have created three classes. This is my first class, and this is my second class, and this is my third class. Okay, so this is the class A, this is like the class B, this is like the class C. Okay, in this diagram we have seen. Okay, so here C inherits from B, B inherits from A, and C consists of all the properties and behaviors of class B as well as class A. Okay, likewise here this multi-level, okay, this class consists of all the properties from son as well as parent 1. Got it? First we have to create the parent class. Okay, this is my first class name, parent 1. Inside this parent 1 I have the display parent. This is the user defined function. What is the role of this method? This method is used to print this statement on my console with the help of the println method. Got it? Okay, and here I have created the second class. The name of the second class is son, and here I have used the extends keyword. We know already this is the keyword. This keyword is used to implement the inheritance. Okay, so this is your new class and this is your existing class. Parent 1 is the existing class and son is the new class. So if I write like this, means what happens? The son inherits all the properties and behaviors from parent 1. So inside this parent 1 I have a single method, display parent. Okay, that method we can access with the help of the object of this class. Okay, so what type is this? From second line to 15th line, that is from this to 15. So what type is this? This is the single inheritance type, because this is your new class and this is your existing class. So what type is this? This is the single inheritance type. Okay, but here I have created one more class. The name is multi-level. Here this class extends son. Means what happens? The multi-level class inherits all the properties from son as well as from parent 1, because son inherits all the properties from parent 1. That's why this multi-level inherits all the properties from parent 1 also. Okay, and inside this multi-level, that is the last class, here we have the display grandson. Okay, so what is the role of this one? This method is used to print this statement on my console. Inside this class only I have the main method. So my file name must be this class only. Why? Because inside this class only I have the main method. So I have to give the file name as this class name. Okay, if I give son as file name or parent1 as file name means I will get error only. Okay, and here inside the main method I have created the object for MultiLevel. Okay, so this is the object and this keyword is used to create the memory for this object during the execution of the program, that is at runtime, and this is the constructor, and here there is no parameters inside the round bracket, so this is called the default constructor. In this example I didn't have the constructor. Then what will happen? The compiler creates the constructor automatically. So what is the role of the default constructor? The constructor is used to give the default values to the objects. Okay, and here I have used the object for this class to call all the methods. Here with the help of the inheritance I have created single object. With the help of this single object I can call display parent, display son and display grandson also. Okay, this is from this class only, so no problem. But these two, display parent and display son, are not present inside this MultiLevel. But I can access with the help of the object of this class. How? With the help of this inheritance process. Okay, so m1.display parent. So the control jumps from the 27th line to the 4th line, and this statement will be printed on our console. Again the control jumps from the 8th line to the 28th line. Here we have the display son. Okay, and the object is same, that is the object of MultiLevel only, not the object of son. No need to create the object for son because of this inheritance. I can use the object for this MultiLevel. Okay, and the control jumps from the 28th to 9th line, and here we have the display son. This is the method definition, and this statement will be printed on our console. After the execution of this, the control again jumps from the 15th line to the 29th line. So this method is inside this MultiLevel only. Okay, this is the object for MultiLevel M1, and the control jumps from the 29th line to the 19th line, and this statement will be printed on our console. After the execution of this, the control again jumps from the 22 to 30. Got it? Son inherits from parent 1, MultiLevel inherits son as well as parent 1. Okay, so there is no need to create 3 objects to call the methods present inside the 3 classes. Let me execute this one here. So this is my first output from this method, and this is my second output statement from this method. This is my third output from this method. Okay, I hope you all understood about what is MultiLevel inheritance. Okay, according to our requirement, we can choose single inheritance or MultiLevel inheritance. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.